Back to news headlines now. Tension in the courtroom during the 8th day of deliberations now in the Michael Madigan corruption trial. Judge John Robert Blakely missing from the bench today after sitting in court every day during the 4-month-long trial.
Jurors sending a note asking for clarification as well as binders of evidence. Julian Cruz is live for us at the Dirksen Federal Building with more on what it may all mean.
Well, Ben and Lourdes, no details on how long Blakely will be away as jurors look for help trying to decipher the precise meaning of language contained in the complicated jury instructions, more than 100 pages long.
What this shows is that this jury is having sophisticated and sincere questions about the law that they've been provided. To me, this is good news because this shows that the jury is not going with a gut instinct about what they've heard or what they've read. They are clearly looking at the instructions and trying to understand the underlying meaning of the law.
U.S. District Judge Edmund Chang praising the jurors' thoughtful questions as he stands in for Judge John Robert Blakely, said to be unavoidably absent. Chang, with the help of prosecutors and defense attorneys, debating how to respond to jurors' uncertainty about language in a portion of their jury instructions when it comes to a bona fide salary paid for a job in regards to Michael Madigan's subcontractors. Jurors in their note wanting to know whether or not the salary should roll into several criminal counts in this racketeering, bribery, and wire fraud trial. The presiding judge recrafting the language in question, sending it back to the deliberation room, telling jurors in a note that salary paid for jobs that were obtained via bribery are in fact considered a thing of value in the felony wire fraud and travel act counts. Jurors completing nearly 50 hours of jury deliberation so far. Michael Madigan and Michael McLean facing a 23-count criminal indictment, accused by the government of operating a long-term, multifaceted conspiracy to use public positions for unlawfulness. Both Madigan and McLean denying any wrongdoing. And reporters not expecting what happened today. We're used to seeing Judge Blakely now for almost 4 months, and Judge Chang walked into the courtroom, so it was a bit of a surprise for everybody involved. Here at the Dirksen Federal Building, Julian Cruz, WGN News.